Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about research scholarship at the University of Adelaide. So we go down here, how to apply. It is for domestic application round and international application round. We will go on international application round and we can see here for semester 1 now the dates are closed and for semester 2 open now. So you can apply before 4 February 2024. Outcomes will be announced in mid of April. Here we go down and you can search about the major scholarships available. Come here, search for postgraduate research scholarships. Then so these are the scholarships available. You can also filter them, like for example your research postgraduate research student and international student. Type of scholarship is academic. For graduate future students, okay, and all localities. So it's now filtered. So these are the scholarships which are available now, and you can see the coverage and closing dates as well. After you will find the scholarship, so scholarship open for application. So after you will find the scholarship, then you can come here and check your eligibility here. Yeah, like you are eligible to apply for the University of Adelaide. If you are eligible, then come here and review scholarship eligibility criteria as well. You can read that. Then find your supervisor and you can send emails to your supervisor at University of Adelaide. Like if your major is computer science, then you can send emails to the major of computer science faculties, and if they will respond you positive, then you can attach their response with your application. Then after you will receive the positive response, then you can submit your application, apply here. Here you need to, if you are new applicant, then first you need to register and then log in and submit your application. After you will submit your application, then you'll come here and you see accept your offer and enroll. So you need, if you will be successful, then you will receive an offer and get enrolled at university. If you have any questions related to the scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.